Good evening, everyone. Today we're going to do some minor cleaning in Excel. We want to try and clean this disorder name. We're going to remove space. We're going to use purple. Purple means just making the first alphabet of each word to be capitalized. We're going to use name using cap. We're going to use an upper functions to make all this name to be capital. Lowercase, we're going to use a function also, a predefined function in Excel to make them lowercase, that's small alphabets. Then we're going to find the length of each of them. So let's begin. To remove spaces in Excel, we're going to use a function called trim. Trims take care of any extra spaces in your work. It removes any extra spaces there. To do that, we're going to use the trim function. So we know that any function we want to apply in Excel or formula, we are going to start with the equals to sign. Equals to, so TRIM, trim. It's already here. We use the tab key to call it in. Now it tells us trim. What text do you want to trim? This is what we want to trim. So we'll click on this and click the enter button. Now we have Mary or Jemmy with no extra space on them. Now we're just going to use this to drag down so the rest of them can also reflect, and we have this in other name. All the extra spaces are no longer there. The next is purple names. We want to use a function called purple to capitalize just the first alphabet of each of the names. To do that, we use the purple function. So equals to purple. Use your tab key to call it in, and we'll click on the text we want to do, and that's thus enter. Now we have Mary or Jamie. Just M and O are capitalized. The rest are in lowercase. So let's drag down, and we have this. Next, we want all the names to be in capital letters. We use a function, a predefined function in Excel called the upper. To do that, equals to UPP, and it's already here. You use your tab key to call it in, and you click on the text and you click on enter. Now we have this Mary or Jeme, all in uppercase, and same goes for the rest. They're all in uppercase. Now we want to put everything here in lowercase. We're going to use a function called lower. To do that, come to this place. So equals lower. Use your tab key to call it in and click on this, enter. Now we have Mary Jeme all in lowercase, and we have this. Next, we want to find the length of each of the names here. How many each of the names there? We want to find the length. To do that, we're going to use a function called len. This. Use your tab key to call it in. Click on the text you want to find the length and press enter. Now we have it 10. This is 9. The space inclusive make it 10. So drag them down, and this is what we have. So this is just some basic formula for Excel that you can use to rearrange names. Thank you very much. If there's any function you would like me to make a video on, leave it in the comment section.